Hey guys, we received this your non-dual Hall effect PC controller for test and try. So this is a dual Hall effect, means you can control two things in a different way, and a PC controller with enhanced wireless Bluetooth controller. So it have a Hall joystick and the triggers, and also have a joystick speed down for the PC window for your shooting games. It can be attached with your Windows, iPhone, Android, Switch, Stream, TV, or any other thing have a USB dongle and a phone clip. So here is the controller itself. So come in a nice box with all the accessories. So as I explained, this Hall effect joystick means like with the right joystick here, you can speed down the button. You can aim the target with a slow movement for the precise aiming. So that's a really nice thing. So here is the controller. As you can see, they have two controls here. So one is for the racing thing and one for the other games like shooting things. You can charge this with this supplied USB-C cable. So this also comes with this mobile stand, and you can attach this mobile stand very easily with this remote. So basically, you can put your Android phone or the iPhone on this mobile, and then you can play directly with the controller. So this is a very nice thing that you can use this controller with the different things all at once. I will attach this controller with the PC now. As you can see, you have to on and off button. So this have a Bluetooth function, and this also have a dongle function. So in your Nintendo Switch or any other place where you don't have inbuilt Bluetooth, you can use this dongle. And if you have a Bluetooth, you can directly connect through it, and you can just select the which part you want in here. So this have a Nintendo Switch and other connections here that you can use. So connection is pretty much easy. You see, like it's called connected. So I'm just playing a game, and the controls are really smooth, as you can see. It takes a little bit time to, get acquainted with the stuff, but yeah, like you can see that this happens, and this is really fast and good, smooth moving thing with the speed and stuff. Control is easy. This is working really fine. And also, like I have the different, you can program this for differently, like all this NR, NR, MR, and ML buttons, and play whatever you want.